Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDJPY, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like USDJPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY, and you can see that market has formed a big fat red candle and things are about to get problematic from here. So let's get started. Watch the video carefully because things are a little bit complicated here, and if you're a beginner new trader, then you need to watch the video twice. Don't mind, please. So first of all, market was in sideways, and after that when dollar became very bullish, USD became very bullish, we also saw the bullishness on USD JPY. It crossed the resistance of it crossed this resistance of 114.30. If you have watched my earlier videos on USD JPY, then I told you clearly that before the report also I told you that market has been testing this level too many times. Therefore, there is a good possibility of market breaking the level. I told you at this particular portion when market was standing here not to take a sell position because there was a possibility of market breaking the level. And as per our expectation, market broke the level and started going up. Hopefully, you all have made money also. But right now you can see that after this up run, okay, there is a big fat red candle on USD JPY. And right now market is trading at 114.04. This is the current market price. So market is back to the range again. Previously market was trading in a narrow range of 114.30 on the upside and 113.50 or 113.40 on the downside. This was the support for the market for a long time, and this was the resistance for the market. Market broke the level, but market is back to the range again. But what do we need to focus here is this big candle. This big red candle signifies the presence of sellers in the market. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Market tried to go up, okay, but market failed, and you can see it took around 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, it took around 5 6 candles. It took around 5 6 candles for a market to go up, and it came down in one single candle. Okay, it came down in one single candle. So one single candle covered the whole distance of 5 to 6 candles. So it clearly signifies the dominance of sellers here. And when market tried to go up again, you can see market failed to cross this level. It means the previous resistance of 114.30 is still valid. Are you getting my point? So right now market is struggling to go up again. Therefore, we have a good opportunity here for long trade. I think you can take a sell position here. Okay, you can take a sell position here with your stop loss. Okay, with your stop loss above 114.60 around. Okay, you can put your stop loss at this particular level here. Okay, and you can take a sell position if you want to. Okay, if you want to take a sell position, yes, you can take a sell position with your stop loss here, and just keep in mind that this trade may take more than 1 day or 2 days. If market comes down, okay, if you take a sell position and if market comes down, then you need to exit here. Okay, you need to exit at 113.50 level. If you do not exit completely also, at least you can book 50 to 70% of your profit here. At least book 50 to 70% of your profit here. Okay, and you can continue with the trade. But if you are a day trader, if you do not have that patience like me, then you can also exit at this particular level of 113.50 and observe the price. Though market has been testing this level too many times, but I think that still market may bounce from here. So if market bounces, then you can go for buy again. But yes, that is totally optional, because if you have taken a sell position, then you cannot take a buy here. But those traders who will avoid this particular portion here, they can take a buy here if market bounces. But there may be a fresh selling on the market as well, considering this big red candle. Okay, considering this big red candle and the dominance of sellers, presence of sellers, there is a possibility of market breaking the level of 113.50. If market breaks the level of 113.50, you can also take a sell position here as well, because this will be a fresh breakout for the market, and you need to exit by 112.80. 112.80. This will be your next target. So it's quite complicated. Okay, let me tell you again in short, in 1 minute. So if you want to take a sell position, yes, you can take a sell position at this particular portion of the market here with a stop loss above this level. Okay, because there is selling going on in the market right now, and judging this candle, it signifies the presence of sellers in the market. Okay, if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position, just stop loss at this level. And if you take a sell position, book half of your profit at this level and just observe the market. Okay, if market bounces from here, exit from your sell position completely. Okay, and if market breaks the level and starts going down, continue with your trade and exit at this level. Those traders who will not take a sell position here, they can wait for the market to come down and test the level of 113.50. Though market has been testing this level too many times, yes, we still have a chance of market bouncing from here. If market bounces, you can go for a buy. But sellers, those who have a sell position, you do not need to enter again. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood the video and you have found the video informative. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.